Kurt from the Energy Corridor has a question about a differential of his thermostats.
Well, it's an upstairs-downstairs thing, Tom. Not like the PBS series, but like your air conditioning. Kurt writes, I've read articles by professional HVAC companies. Half say keep the upstairs 1 to 2 degrees warmer, and the other half say keep the downstairs 1 to 2 degrees warmer. It gets even more complicated between summer and winter, he says. Who's right?
You know what? If you live in your entire home, if you have people that go upstairs, downstairs, if you just use your home, quite frankly, you leave both the same temperature. 82, 72, I mean, whatever it is, and your house will stay the same temperature. One will kick on, one will go off. I mean, it's what it's supposed to do. But this whole idea that you can save money by making one a little bit less and one a little bit more doesn't make any sense to me. If you want your house 76 degrees, put everything on 76. It will be fine. I don't know what else to say. Yes.
Okay. All right. So bottom line is it makes no sense to kind of play those 1 or 2 degree temperature differences between the first and second floor. Put it where you want it. Be happy.
Be happy, and you get the temperature you want.
There you have it. And you get the answer you want. You want the answer you want? It's easy. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form right there on the homepage. Send it in. We'll send out a video just like this one answering your questions. We post them on our YouTube channel. We post them on our Facebook page and our website, HomeShowRadio.com.